Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Ford Transit fuel cap. First, find the fuel door on the driver's side of your vehicle. It's usually a small, rectangular, or square panel that blends into the bodywork. You'll need to access this to begin the refueling process. It's a simple step, but knowing exactly where to look saves time and effort. Let's get started with the next step. Now, to open the fuel door, you'll need to locate the release lever inside the cabin. This lever is typically found on the floor near the driver's seat or sometimes on the lower dashboard. Give it a firm pull, and you should hear a click as the fuel door unlatches. This mechanism ensures the fuel door remains securely closed while driving. Once it's unlatched, you can proceed to the next step. With the fuel door now open, you'll see the actual fuel cap. Most Ford Transit models use a traditional screw-on cap. To remove it, turn the cap counterclockwise until it loosens completely. You might hear a slight hiss as pressure is released. Be sure to place the cap in its holder, if available, or a clean, safe spot to prevent loss or contamination. This prepares your vehicle for fueling. After refueling, it's time to close everything up. First, replace the fuel cap by turning it clockwise until you hear several clicks, indicating it's securely tightened. This prevents fuel vapors from escaping. Then, gently push the fuel door shut until it latches firmly into place. You should feel it click shut. Double-check that it's fully closed before driving away. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.